Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some professional cycling apparel here. I got the little dogs running around here, but this is X-Tiger. Right here is the brand and that's the barcode information kind of for it. But let's open this up and check out these. Should be cycling pants, but let's see if I can open it. There we go. And this is what they look like here. I can't remember what size I got. I got a size large. Usually wear a medium or large, but let's see, this is the X-Tiger. So this is kind of what it looks like. There's the tag, large. And it's got the padding inside, kind of a velvety feel. And got the pockets on the side. I'm gonna go try these on and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, so first impression is it's a good tight fit. It's really nice. It's nice. It's got the zipper down here, so if I want to, get them off my shoes or something like that, I've got that little zipper on the sides. I've got the little pockets here on the side too, so I can hold a few things as I go. And it's got a little zipper pouch back here as well, so I could stick my my wallet or money in there. So it's kind of nice that it's got a couple of features like that. It's got a pretty decent high waist here, so I can bend over and do whatever, and it's not gonna just be all riding down. So it's good, a nice tight fit. The butt pads seem nice and firm. They're a lot, it's a lot more padding and stuff than some of these cheap ones you get that you just can't, you blaze right through. These ones here are nice and padded, so I'm sure I was just sitting down on the floor and it's nice and little comfy little seat on the floor, so it's good. And they look pretty good. Doesn't make it look like I show too huge of a butt, but it's pretty nice pants, and it's a nice tight fit here, so it'll definitely keep me tight and warm as I'm riding. It's actually kind of warm even here inside the house, so real nice. And it does get kind of long and good, and so these are just perfect size. I guess I got the right size, so I really like these. So these are the X-Tiger cycling pants. So gonna head out for a ride shortly and I'll give them a try. A little warm outside, so I'll probably come back all sweating, but got to give these things a try. Okay, thanks, but thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.